Welcome to module 14 of our CapCut video editing tutorials for beginners. In this module, I'll be showing you how to create this split screen effect right in CapCut. Let's check it out. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to bring in our videos into our timeline. And I'm going to drag this right here. Now, ensure that both of them are on the same length on the timeline. Then next up, ensure that the video at the top layer is selected. And then you go under your video tab, you go to where you have a mask. Now you click the add mask tab right here, then you click this, select this split option. So as you can see right here, the video has been split into two, right? So next up, you can, I'm going to click this icon here to rotate my video. So next up, I'm going to click this particular, the line right here, like this, and I'm going to extend it to give this cool effect. And I can also adjust this like this, depends on how I want it to be. Right, so as you can see right here, we have this cool split screen effect. So the first thing you need to do is to bring in the main video, and then bring in the second video, place it right above the first. I'm going to ensure that both videos are on the same length, right? And then I can extend this one to ensure it fills up, take a bit of the space. And I can also do the same for the video at the background. Something like this. All right, so next up, you come to where you have the mask option right here, and then go to add mask, and then you go to split. Now, I can just drag this down here, right? So if I preview my video, so let's preview our video. Now, so you can see that it gives you this crop, okay, split screen effect, and I think this is pretty much cool. So this is just a simple way to create your split screen effect right in CapCut. So, and one other cool tip I think you should know here is that you can also, if you click this little icon right here, okay, it gives you this faded effect between, okay, this faded effect, right? I think this is pretty much cool. So it's like you can fade one of the videos right above the other one. So this is pretty much how you can create your split screen effect, both for a vertical, both for a horizontal workspace and same time for a vertical interface. So I'm sure you had a ton of value from this. If you did, please go ahead, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and of course, check out other videos in my CapCut video editing tutorials for beginners. I mean, there are a lot of videos that would really blow your mind. So go ahead and check them out. The link to the playlist will be in the description of this video. So if you found this useful, once again, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next module.